You guys, today we're going to do a science project. And don't pop quiz in my mouth. Oh god, I just touched it.
Yeah? We're going to put Ivory soap in the microwave for 2 minutes.
Hope it doesn't explode.
What do you think's going to happen, Logan?
I have no idea.
Yeah, close it. And hit the 2. For 2 minutes. All right. We're following the science projects from
This.
101 Coolest Simple Science Experiments.
Hey, there's actually this one. Oh, we did this one as a video. But not with these two ones and this one.
Yeah, that's a different take on the Mentos and Diet Cola experiment.
We will probably...
You want to do that one?
Yeah, I want to do that one.
Next?
Yeah.
All right. Ooh, can you smell it? Can you smell the soap?
Oh!
Wow, look at it. Oh my god.
What?
It's coming out of the container.
That's just amazing.
Whoa, it looks like a big cake.
My god. This is part of the science project.
Whoa, it's like we're baking a big cake.
Yeah.
Wow. It smells. I think we've just deodorized our house.
Yeah. Ew.
It smells like Ivory soap in here very intensely.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's so huge.
Oh! What the?
It's even bigger. It's even bigger than I ever thought possible.
Wow.
Oh my god, I think it's taking up like the whole entire space of the microwave.
I'm just gonna step back.
You think it's gonna? I don't think it's gonna get any bigger than that.
I'm just like, what the freak? Whoa. Whoa.
Okay, now let's open the door and see what it looks like.
Whoa.
Oh, wow.
Boy,
I can't believe that little bar. It turned into like, it looks like a cloud. Sort of. Yeah. Don't touch.
Viewers, don't come over.
It looks like it's shrinking.
Anybody, if you're my friend if you're one of my friends that's watching.
Ooh, it's really, really hot.
Do not come, do not come, to our house today.
Because it smells like Ivory soap in here?
Yeah, it smells really intensely. I'm just doing it afterwards.
Alright, let's see if we can get a little piece that's not too hot. Oh, it's not too bad. You want to touch it?
Oh. Maybe this is what you get the styrofoam out of.
So you know why it did this? Because Ivory soap is filled with a lot of air pockets. And it's the air expanded.
This
You can wash your hands with this, you know.
I'm trying.
You gonna try?
We're going into my bathroom. Yes, we have 2 bathrooms.
Yeah, turn the water on. See what happens. What happened? Did it shrink? Wow.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, wash your hands with it. Wash it off.
How cool! I'm gonna need a soap container.
Yeah. Okay, well, say goodbye. That's it. That's the end of the experiment. That's all.
Yeah. Goodbye!